Card vendor Viagogo is creature, undertaken to trial by the contest guard dog above concerns it is break Customer Protect Act. The contest and market's credibility took activity versus the big four-person second card site's recent November StubHub, Get Me In and Seatwave pledge to changing their industry pattern, but Viagogo has unsuccessful to do changes required by the CMA. How fail has leading in the top trial legislative activity announced on Friday. Andrea Caselli, CMA head execution, told consumer who see for tickets on resellers must be said which chair they will get and if they hazard creature rejected accession to a location. The applies to Viagogo as lot as it does to any some second ticketing website. Sadly, some business community include coordinated to major repair their sites to provide they honor the act. Viagogo has no, he told. We will now be chasing activity via the courts to provide how they perform in the act. The CMA is as well searching an intermediate coercion procedure of the trial how would put a halt to several of Viagogo's practices before a complete test conducted location. Sharon Hodgson, the MP who chairs the all-party parliament team on card misuse, told the CMA's legislative activity versus Viagogo was length expired. To length fans include been vulnerable to the hazard of end up in a card how did not get them in an occasion while purchase via Viagogo. Maybe Viagogo will now understand how Customer Protect log on by Parliament is not a insignificant discomfort to be neglected and how they can be detained reports via the courts. Adam Webb, campaigning officer of the Fanfare Association, told it welcomed the go-to-gear Viagogo, with hope it magical the ending to the website's deceptive and abominable practices. The association told Viagogo could be juridically prevented of reselling tickets in the UK since it had an office space in Fenchurch Road, in the town of London. The CMA's year-long inquiry found several card resellers could be break the law by lack to speak consumer on restrictions on the tickets they purchased. Viagogo is run by Eric Pecker, who based StubHub in college schoolmate Jeff Fleur. They sold out the business to eBay in 2007 for $304 meter. Mr. Pecker later excited to London to set up Viagogo, that is belonging by his Delaware-based enterprise named Quarrelsome Career. Buyers will later be permitted to put undesirable tickets up for selling immediately on Ticketmaster's website. The company has vowed to be translucent on the distinction among brand new and resold tickets. Viagogo did not answer to a query for commentary.